Hello and welcome to my podcast. This is the podcast which will be for Sun Moon Rising in Virgo for the month June 2021. Fariz, I've already shuffled the cards, and so the energy for the month or the forecast of the month, we have Three of Wands. That's what it looks like. We have Eight of Cups. We have Four of Cups. And we have Nine of Wands. In Romance Angels, we have reconciliation and trust. That's a good thing for romance. In the career path, we have Lovers. I know it's a very romantic card for career, but career, finance, we have Devil, and we have Five of Cups. It's a little bit of depression, but it's a good card. Clarifying Devil, I'm going to clarify Devil. I'm going to be using the Four of Cups. So the way I see this month for Virgo is it's a month where you will again want to choose new paths, trying new things in the career arena, and focus will be mainly on understanding what you truly love. What is it in your life that is your big purpose? You're on a mission of self-discovery. You're going to try and walk off situations that don't serve you, and you are going to be in a very pensive mode. You might indulge in a lot of meditations. There is a struggle again, but nothing you can't do. You ought to grow a thick skin and use your free will to attract whatever you so desire. And if you get something in your hand, you get an offer, then grab the bull by its horn, because I do feel that maybe you are choosing to ignore what you should be dealing with. There are things that you need that are in front of you, but for whatever reason you choose to ignore them, and that's not exactly the right approach you should be having. You ought to face the music. There are difficulties to deal with. Of course, weigh your pros and cons, but you ought to make the choices you are supposed to make. When it comes to love, when we have reconciliation and trust, it's definitely a time for you to probably reconsider an previous romance that you had. Somebody you probably have considered good enough for romance is you may have separated from them, and they are coming back into your life, and you should trust them. And just generally for all your relationships, those who are married and all, is like work on trusting someone and deepening the bond further. There is some kind of connection, and there is going to be some good romance this month for Virgo, but they ought to trust their instincts. They ought to trust the people in front of them and work cohesively. Don't just work for yourself, work together. Make it happen and forgive one another. Forgiveness is so important, but most of the times people stick their guns out, and forgiveness, the word, is lost. When it comes to career, we had Lovers, we have Kronos, which means devil in the regular suit, and Five of Cups. So where I see it, I see work. It's going to be a hard time at work. There's going to be a lot of heavy work, lot of work which you love, but there's so much of it that's coming your way that you might get tired, fed up, and bored. You are overworked. So take time to relax, go to a meadow. The Five of Cups in this, I feel, is that you're focusing on what you cannot enjoy. Like you cannot enjoy the fun of socializing, etc. But I think it's how you will deal with your present and all. There's a lot of hope that the career in your current place of work will definitely do well. I think you can consider new investments, especially in terms of money. There, you may not be used to investing on a regular basis, but then, hey, listen, if you take the right decisions, you could be somewhere. Don't focus on negativity, focus on being positive. Make your life simple. Virgo is only working, and they are messing it up for themselves. So you're very distraught, you're fed up, you're bored. You know what you love doing, so focus on doing what you love. I mean, that's the main thing that comes to my mind. And there is hope that things will get better, so don't focus on disappointment, don't focus on the fact that you cannot socialize, don't focus on the fact that things are not going your way. Go out in the open, go to a garden, go somewhere where there is less distraction, and you can connect with yourself. I think there's a huge requirement for self connection, and I think it's still not such a bad month, though it is slow and mentally frustrating. I'm sure you can get through. You do have that tenacity. So anyway, see you around again, Virgo, for next month. Take care, lots of love, and bye-bye.